How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can turn on professional mode on your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, professional mode allows you to actually enable the followers option on your Facebook profile and then show you the follower count and get much more features such as monetization and creator tools. In order to turn your Facebook account into a professional account, you just have to go ahead and then launch the Facebook application. And once you launch the Facebook app, you'll see this kind of interface where you would need to tap on the profile icon on the left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll basically come to this page, and over here you can see currently I'm on a personal account, and if you'd like to change to professional account, then just tap on the three dots on the right hand side of it, and then from the bottom you'll find the option called turn on professional mode. As you could see, once you tap on it, here you'll be able to see all of the professional mode tools, so just see whatever it gives you and then tap on the turn on button over here. Once you tap on the turn on button, you'll have successfully turned on professional mode on Facebook. And then if I come back to my profile page and show you as well, you'll be able to now see the followers option and so on. And that is basically how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to your channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.